In this video, I will guide you on how to fix SHEIN payment failed issue. The first thing you want to do is launch open the SHEIN app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon. Now scroll down and find the clear cache option and tap on that. Here, tap on yes to confirm. Now check if the payment failed issue has been fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is long press on the SHEIN app. Now tap on the app info icon. This should take you to settings. Here, find the option of storage, tap on that. Now tap on the option of clear cache. Head back, now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Once that is done, launch open SHEIN and check. If your problem still persists, then what you can do is uninstall the application and reinstall it. Long press on the SHEIN app, then tap on uninstall. Now tap on uninstall again, then open Play Store or App Store, search for SHEIN and reinstall it again. If your issue is still there even after reinstalling, check your payment method. If you're using a credit card or debit card, remove the saved card and add it again. Make sure all of your payment details are entered correctly before trying your purchase again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.